What's up guys, in this video I'm going to show you that how you can create your own WhatsApp link in your mobile phone. So let's jump into the video. What you have to do first, you have to go to on your Chrome browser just like this, and after doing so you have to click on the search icon. Then you have to type a option called create a WA link just like this one. You have to search for this website create WA link. After doing so, what you have to do, you have to click on this website just like this. Then what you have to do, you have to click on create a free WA link in the top right corner. Just you have to click on this. Then here is the tricky option. Please guys, make sure you watch the full video and follow every steps that I'm going to show you. So after doing so, what you have to do, you have to click on this option. Then you have to select the country that you are belong to, that your phone numbers belong to. So after selecting the country, what you need to do, you have to click on this option. Then you have to put your number just like this. I'm going to do mine. Okay, after uploading the number, after typing the number, you have to click on preview, or otherwise you can click on generate my WA link. And here is the another option called custom message. You can type anything just you want to know. You want to send a message that if someone click on this WhatsApp link, they will see a message just like this. I'm going to type welcome. So after doing so, you have to click on generate my WA link just like this. After clicking that, you can see here is your WhatsApp QR code, and you can pretty much see you have to click on this to see the link. This is your WhatsApp link, and if you want to copy the link of your WhatsApp number, you have to click on copy link. So this is how you can copy your WhatsApp link on your mobile phone. So I hope you find this video helpful. Please leave a like on this video and subscribe my channel for more video like this. Peace.